morning time? Oh, okay. What's that?
It's an old cup.
Oh, you know where it should go?
Recyclable.
Yep. You want to throw it down? Hold on. Okay, let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good throw, you got it.
Good one.
Good one.
Good one. From me, brothers! You're going back, Pete! You're going to go, Pete! I said,
Okay.
Hey, Mama, I'm going to read books today.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm going to eat something that you can.
Okay.
Okay, Mama?
Yep. What
Okay.
books are they?
Balloon. Stand right there. That you can do.
I'll get this out of your
Okay.
way. Okay. What book is that?
Where?
Nope. Look again.
Shark.
What?
Shark.
Nope. Look
What?
again. Look at the picture.
Dolphin.
You got it. What does that say?
One day there was a mama balloon, and there was a baby balloon, and the next page is dolphin and bird. And the next page is what's that sound?
It says dolphins make many different sounds.
What's this? What's this on a page? On the blue page?
It's a dolphin with his mouth open. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah, another book.
Okay, good.
And the next page is the baby and the mother.
Mhm.
And the next page is baby, mother. Baby, mother. Baby, mother. Baby, mother.
The end.
And I get to watch another one.
Okay. What book is that?
Flamingos.
Yep.
The next page is tall. This one came into our family flamingos, and the other one is 1, 2, 3. Baby, mother. Baby, mother. And I get to watch another one. Daddy Blood is lying down like crazy.
That's right. She's rolling around and playing.
He's not crying.
Nope, he's rolling around. He's happy.
zebras.
They're visiting.
They're visiting. He's dancing around with somebody. And these are more babies.
Those two might just be friends. They're running together.
1 and 2, 1 and 2.
Good for you.
And zebras and what's this book?
Those are otters.
Otters?
Otters.
I should know that.
I know. Maybe you've never read that one before.
When I was little, I used to be a big. When I was a baby, I go to the zoo with Mom, and I saw the dog sleeping.
Is that right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I bet that's true.
when I was little.
Yeah, when you were little.
Now they're swimming and going to sleep.
Yep. Otters do that. They do a lot of swimming. Can you find the otters in that picture?
1, 2. Frogs don't swim.
Yes, they do swim. Yep. A lot of crabs live in the water.